What's up guys? My name is Shadi Mizgit. Here on this channel we talk about finance, investing, and education. Today I want to discuss with you guys how you can remove any missed payments or late payments on your credit report in just 5 minutes. All this information is always free if you could just take 5 seconds of your time. Make sure to hit that like button below. Like I said, this whole process takes about 5 minutes to do. And I actually did this about a month ago and it went great. I want to share this with anybody that might need this advice. The day I found out I had a few missing payments on my credit card, I kind of needed a high credit score. I was planning on making a big purchase. I actually wanted to finance. I wanted the lowest interest rate possible. Then I looked at my credit report. I actually saw it dropped almost 200 points, around 190 points. Usually my credit score is a bit high, around 790. I usually don't miss payments and my credit score is pretty up there. My credit score has been pretty good for the most part. I usually always pay on time or pay all my credit cards in full. It's crazy to see how your credit score could drop like almost 200 points by just making 2 missed payments. Literally 2 missed payments for 2 different companies. And honestly, we're all human. I think this could happen to anyone at any given time. You know, life happens. You could be sick. You could be in the hospital. You could be super busy at work or in life in general and just forget to pay 1 month. For me, I personally forgot I had that credit card. I completely forgot all about it, the login and everything. But this is what I did exactly and it actually worked perfectly. I actually paid the remaining balance I owed on the credit card and then I called the credit card company to see if I could get it removed. I was polite, I was nice, kindly asked them if there's any chance I could get this removed. The first time I called, they actually told me there's no way we could really remove it, but I actually think I was talking to a new rep. I actually called Capital One. The guy really didn't help me out as much. So then what I actually did was I contacted live support on Capital One and they were more than happy to remove it off my credit report. The whole process literally just took a few minutes. They actually told me it'll take about 30 to 45 days for it to reflect on my account, but I literally saw it reflect in just 7 days. So just make sure you contact them either via phone or live chat. If it doesn't work the first time, you could always wait a day or two and call back again or hit them up at live chat. Remember, I mentioned I had another missing payment for another credit card company. This time the missing payment was for the Amazon credit card and I did the same exact thing. I made sure the balance was paid all off and then I went on live chat and I asked if I could kindly get it removed from my credit report. The process was easier than the Capital One and they were more than happy to remove it. Also keep in mind, I usually don't have a lot of missing payments, but this does happen from time to time and we're all human. As long as you're nice, polite, respectful, you shouldn't have a problem with this. If this doesn't work and they say no, you could always try again in a day or two or even contact their live support. Remember, each rep is different. Depending on the person you talk to, this may or may not work. I really hope this helps you guys and fixes any missed payments or late payments you might have on your credit report. The whole process literally took me about 5 minutes to do, and there's people that actually charge for this service to fix your credit score for any missed payments you had. So literally you could do this yourself. It just takes 5 to 10 minutes. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Also make sure to hit that like button below. It literally takes 5 seconds. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully this helps you and I'll see you guys on the next video.